I don't know if people realize it, but every single day is a contest on the North Shore. We've got guys from Peru, we've got guys from California, we've got guys from the East Coast, all performing at pipeline. I mean, you can look at it like a double-edged sword, right? There's a lot of pressure to catch that wave, but if you do, you could catch the wave of your life that could catapult your career into something so special where now you're getting 6 figures, maybe more. Several sponsors, all of a sudden you're the guy. I can't talk for anybody else but myself, but I remember walking down the beach as a young kid, and I wouldn't even look up where the Volcom House is now. Jerry Lopez owned it then. I was afraid to actually look up there because I didn't want to make eye contact with the guys in the front yard. Everybody when they grow up says, I want a house on the beach with a wave that goes off in the backyard. Guess what? Ain't no wave in the world that goes off as hard as pipeline.
It's kind of cool because they call this the wave house because like this is, you get barreled in here. You can see it's like a tube. To be honest, most of the time I seriously just sit on this grass and just look out the front and drink beer and just watch everyone surf. Like, it's rad. You see the wildest stuff like right here. It's like a massive plasma of just crazy surfing. There is, you know, so many different ways to surf, and you really kind of see that when you're over here because everyone's here and you can kind of find your niche and your friends and hang with them, and you do your thing and everyone else does their thing, and you can kind of have a, you know, still have a really good time. You know, you can get so caught up in, you know, feeling guilty because, you know, everyone's getting crazy waves and, you know, doing crazy shit, but you know, every day is exactly the same. You just wake up and surf and do the thing. And so if you kind of just learn how to enjoy that and just never compare yourself with anyone else, because you know, everyone sort of does a bottom turn different and, you know, would do a turn in a different spot than you would, or some people just sit at the end and just race to the shore and try to do the biggest air they can, you know, and that's rad. And show your personality on the wave, and that's it.
It really is the spine of surfing. Each house has a different view. Like, it's weird, but we look into the barrel at Pipeline. The Billabong house looks into the barrel at Back Door, yet we're 500 yards apart from each other. And I think that really affects your sessions because you're looking at it differently and you see different things.
think it has changed much because there's probably less party in the houses. There was always something going on, and I feel like surfing has changed. It's becoming more professional. You don't have to be like froth too much. You know, you have to stay like remain calm and because you're not gonna get the best waves out there. You just need to like spend a lot of time there so people like recognize you and knows that you're not here for like mess around. You know.
All these houses are so close together. You know, everyone gets these houses out in front of pipe or off the wall pretty much. This little stretch of beach is kind of where it all is, and it's almost like bleachers, you know, set up back here with everyone watching. Like the whole beach is lined up with people filming and photographers. And you don't want to be out there like looking like a kook because everyone sees you. Everyone sees photos and videos of, you know, the waves that people get out here, and it's like everyone wants that, so everyone's gonna come here and try to do it. And it's such a nice place, and it's like, I don't know, it's just appealing to everyone. I feel like it's Hawaii. It's like this small stretch of beach with so many good waves on it.
Be a part of it. Be amongst it. Mix in. You don't have to stand out, but just be a part of what's already here.
You take care of business. You walk in, take a deep breath. Don't forget to exhale. When you walk through the door, don't shut it behind you.